Right, so we're gonna do the recap for today. Today is Monday, um, coming out of the weekend. Hold on. She was attacking. Hold on. Anyways, coming out of the weekend since okay. Coming out of the weekend, since you guys remember Friday was a holiday and then the markets were closed. So now Monday, the first day back of the week. We're starting off good for the week. We are up around 716, I believe it was. Let me verify. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was. Oh, I literally have the thing here. Did that not work? Wait for this to load a little bit. Yeah, here it is. So actually, we're up $800 for today. Good stuff. Good stuff. It was a good trade today. It did not follow my full-on step-by-step strategy, but it did follow my other part of the strategy because I have the what's it called? The reversal strategy and then also the continuation model, which honestly I really like the continuation model. I thought we were gonna get the reversal model, because on ES we had swept these lows here, and on NQ we did not. So 1 second. Oh man, she's so annoying. You're staying here for the rest of the video now. Yeah, so we did that, and there was an SMT here. However, we immediately got a break structure to the downside, continuing that continuation model. First of all, coming into the market open in the 4-hour time frame, you can see that we were in a downtrend. Honestly, I was bullish for the day, but then I forgot to see this, so then I was like, okay, we're gonna be bearish because we have to fill in this whole 4-hour fair value gap. So then moving into the 30-minute, what? Look at her, guys. Moving into the 30-minute, we had this fair value gap here, right here that I marked out. That fair value gap right there. We had it right there, and then yeah, we were basically looking for continuation models after. I realized that it should have been a continuation model and not an actual reversal. So then, as you can see, all at 15:45, I switched my bias. Anyways, we have that 30-minute that was respected, and then also we came up here to this 5-minute fair value gap after making that break of structure here, and then also we made this break of structure right after we made the break of structure here. We have a lot of break of structures, okay? However, the only one that was good enough for me to see was this one. So then after we got that, I then waited for a reversal. Well, not a reversal, but a retrace into one of these key levels, which honestly, I was expecting it to come back to here, which it didn't, but it did come back to here. So after seeing all these wicks of selling potential, I then was like, okay, we're definitely going to sell off. So then I got a perfect entry here. Put my stops above here. I was gonna risk around like 1,000 today, but then I was like, I'm gonna stick to my 3 micro risk size. So I'm not sure how much I risked, but we got a 1 to 5.37 risk to reward, and then we made $800. So I'm guessing I risked around like $200. I think. I'm not sure. I'm not good at math, but yeah. I honestly thought we were gonna just stop right here, which was my target for the first time. But however, this was only a 1.47 risk to reward ratio. So then I was like, fuck no. So after seeing this reversal from After seeing this reversal of, oh my god, what did I click? After seeing this reversal of this inverse fair value gap here, I wanted to add more contracts. So I had 3 originally, but then I wanted to add 3 more, but I don't know why the market keeps rejecting my orders. So it didn't let me. But yeah, we had this. And then from there, I was just gonna target this, but then I was like, nah, it's definitely gonna come back here to these Thursday's lows from last week. And then also, if we grab the Fibonacci, if you guys know this, you move it up here to the highest and it'll mark out the 2, and then the 2, that is where it will most likely go. That was my take profit for today. However, I did close earlier because I knew my new price was gonna retrace into one of these fair value gaps, because there's all of these are imbalances. All of those are imbalances. I knew it was gonna retrace there, so I had my stops here. But then I was like, should I wait for my take profit to get hit? And then it didn't. I got out. Let's see, where did I get out? I got out right there, I think so. No, actually, I got out right here on that one. It is. What is how much is it? Okay, take off the magnet. Oh, share my camera. 1 second. It was 23 points away from my take profit, which isn't bad. But you know, it could have made more money. It was only gonna be like 50 more bucks, but 50 bucks is 50 bucks still. And yeah, that's essentially it. Market just dumped. I caught a 150 point move, which was good. It was good. Yeah. Anyways, we're up around $300 on the eval. Yeah, we have the rest of the week to see how it's gonna go. I do work. I do work the rest of the week, 12-hour shifts, as you guys know. But I'll try to see if I can actually trade. I have noticed that I've been really patient recently, which is a good thing, because you know, patience is key in trading. You do what the market tells you. You don't tell the market what to do. So yeah, I hope you guys won your trade today. If you guys did take a trade, this was a trade to take. That short. Yeah. Everyone else took that trade. I saw that. So pretty clean trade. So I'll see you guys tomorrow if I do take a trade. I'm not sure how my recaps are gonna work. If I'm gonna do it right after work, which I probably am gonna do it right after work because it don't take me that long. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated tomorrow. So I'll see you guys.